What's good, YouTube? Now before we get into this, I just want to say this is my first ever video that I'm recording from my channel. I figured I would just start off with something small so I would kind of get used to this whole being in front of a camera thing. Today's video I'm just going to be restoring my 12-year-old headlights, and also I'm editing the video right now and I noticed a little bit of background noises in all my videos, and that's because I didn't have a mic on me at that time. But now that I do, all my other videos should be fine. So bear with me just for this one video and I'll make sure I'll fix everything for my upcoming videos from now on. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. There are a lot of aftermarket products that you can use for this, but I figured I would use these Meguiar's heavy duty kit. You could really find this at any Canadian Tire or even Amazon. There's 3 different levels to this kit: severe, moderate, and light. For my case, I would be using the severe kit since my headlights need a lot more work. This kit comes with the sand block, 2 grits of polishing, a headlight cleaner / polisher, headlight coating, and 2 polishing attachments. Apart from that, you're going to need a piece of cloth, a bottle of water, some masking tape, you're done with the steps, it says on the bottle the polish should dry in about 15 minutes. But I'm just gonna leave the car alone overnight and go take it for a wash or whatever in the morning, because my bumper is looking pretty filthy right now.
The next day.
Yeah. Trust issue she got. Only sipping Ciroc. Spent more than she made, now she doesn't like what she bought. Stressing over the luxurious things, but all the diamonds in the world doesn't make up a queen.
So we hit the high pressure rinse, hitting the wax, and after that we're hitting the spot speed rinse.
Rent and the money ain't on time, and your man just left and leave a dollar sign. Well, you know I got it, I'm on it on what you need. You say your life is a movie, I guess you're needing a lead. And I can play the part, steal your heart, wait and you'll see. So tell me girl, who finna fit the part better than me? Lois Lane, I'm your Superman, promise I'm the better man. Hand in hand together, we're better than anybody. And things happen is the only way to word it. Nothing's made perfect, every moment make it worth it.
Alright, so that concludes today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon.